In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Outlook to n8n. By the end, you'll have your Microsoft Outlook account connected inside an n8n workflow, ready to send emails, read messages, or work with calendar events automatically. Start by heading to n8n.io and opening your n8n instance. If you're using n8n Cloud, sign in and create a new workflow. You'll land on a blank canvas. Here, add your first step by clicking the button to add a node. This is where you choose what service or function you want to use in your automation. In the node selector, use the search bar and type Microsoft Outlook. When you see the Microsoft Outlook node, click it to add it to your workflow. This node is your bridge between n8n and your Outlook account. Next, choose what you want the Outlook node to do by selecting an action. For example, you could send an email, get messages, or work with calendar items. Pick the action that matches your use case. You can always change this later if you're experimenting. Now look for the credential or credential to connect with field. Open the drop-down. If you've never connected Outlook before, you won't see any saved credentials yet, and that's perfectly fine. Click the option to create a new credential. Giving it a clear name can help you recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple accounts or environments. When the credential window opens, choose to connect your account. This will launch Microsoft's secure sign-in flow in a new window. Sign in with the Outlook or Microsoft 365 account you want to use. You may be asked to grant permissions, so n8n can read or send emails or access calendar data, depending on the action you selected. Approve the prompts to continue. If your organization requires admin approval, you might need to ask an administrator to allow the app. Just keep that in mind. After the connection is successful, you'll be brought back to n8n. Click Save to store the credential. You should now see this credential selected in the drop-down for the Outlook node. From here, your node is connected and ready to use with your chosen action. At this point, you can configure any remaining fields for the action, like recipients or folders, and you're ready to build the rest of your workflow. If you run into issues, double check you're signed into the right account, ensure pop-ups are allowed in your browser for the connection window, and verify you granted the requested permissions. That's it, your Outlook is now linked to n8n and ready to automate.